made a little pass. Anyway, there's the chickens. Let's check it out. Good morning, girls. Good morning, girls. Oh, okay, I'm just going to show you a little picture of the coop I did. Quick. Alright, so there it is. Guys are spoiled. Spoiled chickens. Hey, good morning. We're gonna get some straw for you today. Straw to put out here. Yeah. Otherwise, things looks pretty nice in there. All right. There we go. There's a chicken run. Okay, girls, I'm gonna shut the door. Put the little rock back here. All right. Then I'm gonna take a peek inside. Take a look at the temperature. It's 22 degrees out. 22 degrees outside right now. Anyway, got the water over there, which is plugged in. It's electric. All right. So it's almost 32. 32, but closer to 40 last night. So I cleaned the poop box this morning. There's the chicken food. And here's where they lay the eggs. It's kind of dark, hard to see. Then I've been feeding them some of this cracked corn and some oats, keep them warmer. Girls! Girls! Redfoot! Cricket toe! Let's see if I can see you. Cricket toe! Girls! Come here! Come in, girl. Cricket toe. There's that Redfoot. That might be Redfoot. Hey, girl. Good morning. Yeah. Got you on camera. We got you on camera. So what do you think of this cold weather? Maybe get to lay an egg? Yeah? You a good girl? Somebody else at the door. Okay, come in. Come in. Here you go. No, she's gonna get some water. Yeah, there you go. Is that pretty good? Is that pretty good? Oh, who do we got here? It's White Feather. Hey, White Feather. Just doing a little video this winter morning. Yeah, you guys got a pretty good setup. No doubt about it. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna call it. Time to lay an egg. We got no egg so far, so yeah. Which one to go into? Big decision. Big decision. Which one to go into? Yeah, that looks nice. That looks nice. Here she goes. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. We're gonna get some straw for you ladies, so yeah. There we go.